Alright everyone, oh I'm tired. It is now almost 4 a.m. in the morning. Determined to get this, and this bad luck has been hitting me. Power drill died. And then I thought I had everything worked out in terms of my fancy brand new reed switches and my all new innovative Robert Walker designed reed switch thing, whatever we're gonna call this. I don't know. The issue is that these are extremely sensitive, much more sensitive than the glass reed switches that I was using before. So basically, in order for me to get this to activate when you press the pedal down, it literally has to be like back here. So I'll turn it this way just to give you an idea. So it's basically like on the wood for this to be activated. So what I had to do was take our friend the saw and then make little cutouts for each individual note. Oh my goodness, talk about a labor of love here. So basically how I did this is I took the saw and I made 3 cuts, one in the center of the pedal and then one this closer in. You don't want it all the way out because this guy, the screw right here, has to fit inside like a little cubbyhole type of thing anyway. And so, and then how you get it to come out is you basically just stick your saw in there and then just twist it that way. And the little wooden centers will come out, should come out. And then you're left with a little slot for your thing to fit inside of. So now since I've done this and I've just completely modified, customized the pedal board, literally, this is how it should come out looking right here. So we're going to have a screw going down holding this thing in here. And then these will be on the bottom, so they'll be sitting, that's what these 2 screws are here. And they'll be sitting down like this. So this down into here like this. And then you'll take another washer and a wing nut and you'll wrap them around here. And then, because now that this is sitting in here, what you're going to have to do is what I'm going to do is I'm going to take another block and I'm just going to set it down here like so. So that way I can just, I'll screw this in, you know, I'll put like 2 screws in, and then I'll screw this on top of this. And that way it'll give me a stable place to put my reed switch. So that's that update. So I have to wait for my neighbor to get the power drill up and going so that I can screw these actually back in. In the meantime, I need to vacuum the carpet because I've got all kinds of stuff everywhere. So that may be it for me tonight, and then I will resume once I get the power drill going again. Alright. Hopefully you don't have to do this and you can just mount your reed switch directly onto your board, because this takes a long time to do. Alright, good luck. Bye.